What's for dinner? It's steak. And steak can be an amazing summertime meal if you'd use a few simple hacks with it. One of my favorite is to spritz it with lemon. Lemon really cuts through the richness of some cuts of steak, brings out the flavors of it, and just gives it that summertime lightness and freshness that I really love. When you have a really flavorful cut of meat like this boneless ribeye steak, all you need is some salt and pepper, and that's it. So just salt both sides and a little bit of pepper on both sides, and that's all you need. You don't even need to oil it because there's such great fat marbled throughout that you don't need to oil this. The fat is going to oil the steak. It's going to be perfect. All right, you want to cook a steak over pretty high heat because you want to hear that sizzle. I like it medium rare. Now medium rare is about 135 degrees, 130, 135 degrees. Nice. It's great when you get a big steak like this because the ends tend to be a little bit more medium and the middle tends to be a little bit more medium rare, so there's really something for everybody. When you serve it next to a bed of peppery arugula, that makes it just a beautiful summertime dish. I love lemon and olive oil on my steak. I've got some steak, some lemon, some Parmesan, some arugula. This is dinner in summertime.